Land's End. Just kind of showing you the beauty of it all if you can hear me. Apparently there's a labyrinth here on the cliff. We're in a very beautiful view of the ocean once again. And I don't know if you can see it, but it's very foggy today. It's the Golden Gate Bridge. And typically foggy every day here, apparently. And let me see if I can get the mountain view. And these cliffs are very steep, but it's a very good view. You can see the waves crashing on the side and the wind blowing. This would be a really awesome date spot. Oh, and Presidio is right there. We're a little bit of ways. But yeah, it's very beautiful. It took a while to get down here, but I think it was very worth it.